It's time to level up your iPhone 17 with these must-have accessories, so let's get into it. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. And today we're talking about the best accessories for the iPhone 17, iPhone Air, 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max. Over the past few weeks I've been testing a bunch of cases, chargers, stands, wearables and more. And I've narrowed it down to my top picks that genuinely make the iPhone 17 experience way better. So let's jump right in. First up, you need a case. And the sponsor of today's video is MagBack. And here we are with the MagBack Elite case. It's slim, super grippy, has some of the strongest MagSafe magnets I think I've tested in a long time. That means rock solid hold on chargers, mounts, accessories, no slipping, no wobbles. What makes it really stand out is MagBack's ecosystem. The case snaps on perfectly to their mag sticks, car mounts. You can mount your phone anywhere, your desk, your car, the kitchen fridge, the gym, totally cable free. You can also customize it with MagBack's color kits, swapping out buttons and side grips and camera bezels. It's pretty awesome. And despite being slim, it still offers military grade drop protection with a premium soft touch finish. If you want a case that's both protective and functional, the MagBack Elite, it's hard to beat. Big thanks again to MagBack for sponsoring this video. And I have a special discount code for 15% off your order. So if you want to head over to MagBack's website, use MTT15 for 15% off. Big thanks again to MagBack for sponsoring this video. Next up is the Apple Watch Ultra 3. If you're already in the Apple ecosystem, this watch is pretty much the perfect companion for the iPhone 17. This year, Apple improved the battery life even further. I'm comfortably getting around 3 days on a single charge, which is pretty good. The new S10 chip makes everything feel a lot snappier, whether it's navigating apps, tracking workouts, using Siri on device without needing your phone. It's pretty sweet. You get the usual build quality as well. You get your grade 5 titanium frame, your sapphire crystal display. It's water resistant up to 100 meters. For anyone who's active, running, hiking, playing football, cycling, it's built to take a beating. And of course it pairs seamlessly with your new iPhone, syncing notifications, workouts, Apple Pay and more. If you want the ultimate Apple wearable experience, the Ultra 3 is your top pick. For audio, I am going with the AirPods Pro 3. Apple did a small redesign change on them this year, but the massive improvements are well under the hood. The H3 chip brings faster connectivity, better power efficiency and noticeably improved active noise cancellation. It blocks out more ambient noise without the pressure building in your ears. Makes travelling a dream. The new adaptive transparency mode also sounds way more natural. I can walk through a busy street and still hear clearly what's around me. And the sound quality is richer with a more balanced low end. And USB-C charging with MagSafe as well makes everything simpler if you're already using iPhone 17 accessories. Plus with features like spatial audio, Find My support and conversation awareness, these are still the most convenient earbuds if you're deep in Apple's ecosystem. This is the UGREEN Nexo 65 watt GAN charger. It's got 2 ports, one USB-C, one USB-A, and has a retractable USB-C cable which extends out 69 centimeters. Thanks to GAN technology, it runs cooler and more efficiently than Apple's standard chargers. It's also super compact, perfect for throwing into a tech pouch or your travel bag. If you want one charger that covers everything, this is a really solid pick. So next, storage. If you shoot ProRes or 4K 60 video on the 17 Pro Max especially, you'll know how quickly your internal storage will fill up. That's where this comes in. This is the Oracle 1TB MagSafe SSD. This is a compact external SSD that snaps onto the back of your iPhone. It connects via USB-C, it gives you fast transfer speeds, perfect for offloading large video files, raw photos, or project files in a pretty neat solution. It's slim, it's light, it works seamlessly with the Files app on iOS. For creators, it's just one of those accessories that makes life a little bit easier. So next up, for charging on the go, I have been using this. This is the UGREEN MagFlow Qi2 Battery Pack. It uses the new Qi2 magnetic charging standard, which locks onto your iPhone securely and delivers faster wireless charging than most standard MagSafe packs. It charges at 25 watts. It also has a USB-C cable, which can hardwire charge up to 30 watts, and a USB port that charges the pack at 30 watts. This also doubles up as a handle. It's really nice. It's slim enough to slide into a pocket and it's handy. It's got a power indicator to let you know how much battery life is left in it. It's great for travel days, events, long shoots, or when you just can't plug in. it's definitely a must-have. Coming in at 10,000 milliamp hours as well, you'll get a good full couple of charges out of this for your iPhone 17 Pro Max. So next up is this. This is a MagSafe Stand. This is the LMU G05 Air. And this just isn't another iPhone stand. It's actually a 5-in-1 piece of everyday gear. You get a magnetic stand, an ultra slim iPhone grip, a hidden ceramic cutter, which is really good for opening boxes. You get a stress relief spinner with a really satisfying click. It's crafted from lightweight aluminium, weighing only 38 grams, but it's incredibly strong with 5 times the magnetic strength of standard mounts. It's practical, it's durable, and it's just one of those accessories that's fun. It's perfect for everyday use or your desk setup. So for travel, you're going to need to pick this up. This is the UGREEN MagFlow 2-in-1 charger. It folds down into a slim, lightweight package that fits easily into your tech pouch or your bag. Delivers up to 25 watts of fast Qi2 charging. It'll get your iPhone to 50% in around 30 minutes. And thanks to its super strong built-in magnets, your phone locks on perfectly every time. The stand itself is multi-angle and foldable with a 360 degrees rotation and 70% tilt, so you can use it vertically or horizontally. Perfect for standby mode, watching videos, gaming. It's compact too, folding down to about 40% smaller than most similar stands. It makes it great for travel or on-the-go setups. And of course, it comes with an extra USB-C port on the side, so you can actually plug another accessory in and charge that as well, which is pretty sweet. It's built for reliability with thermal guard temperature monitoring and 8 layers of protection against overheating or overcharging. It's one of those chargers that looks great on a desk, but it's compact enough to toss in a travel bag. So next up, if you're into fitness or health tracking and you don't always want to wear a bulky watch, the Ultra Human Air Smart Ring is a slick alternative. It's extremely lightweight, it's water resistant, it tracks your sleep, your heart rate, recovery, and activity with impressive accuracy. It syncs right into the health app on your iPhone, so your data is always centralized. It's one of those wearables you forget you're even wearing. I get over a week's worth of charge with this, and it has become part of my everyday tech carry. So yeah, I would highly recommend picking one of these up. If you're not into wearing smartwatches, but you want to monitor some of your health stats, I would definitely consider this. I will be working on a long-term review of the Ultra Human Air Ring, so make sure you're subscribed and notifications are turned on to be notified for that video when it's ready to drop. So when I want to keep things minimal, I love using the Bullstrap NavSafe MagSafe wallet. It's made from premium full grain leather, has strong MagSafe connection, and it includes full compatibility with Apple's Find My technology. So if you ever misplace your phone or your wallet, you can track it down in seconds. It holds a few cards comfortably without bulking up your phone. It's pretty minimal and it looks great. And lastly, the Anker 165 watt power bank is a beast of a charger. This has a capacity of 25,000 milliamp hours and has a built-in retractable USB cable, so you can power up anywhere without extra cords. It also has an additional handle, which is a cable as well. And then it has an additional USB-C and USB-A port. It delivers up to 165 watts of total output, with each USB-C port capable of 100 watts, fast enough to get a MacBook Pro to 50% in about 30 minutes, or an iPhone in around 25 minutes. The smart display shows real-time battery, power output, and recharge info. Active Shield 2.0 constantly monitors temperature to keep your devices safe. If you travel or juggle multiple devices, this is the one battery pack that truly does it all. I take this with me every time I travel. It's the one thing I can't be without. So yeah, if you are looking for a portable charger, this is the one to pick up. And there we have it. That is my top accessories for the iPhone 17. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Have you got any of these accessories, or have you any questions about anything I've featured in this video? Let me know in the comments down below. As always, if you want to pick up any of the things featured here today, I will leave you affiliate links in the description down below. Affiliate links help support the channel, but they don't cost you guys any more money. So if you do pick up using any of my links, thanks for your support. It's much appreciated. And big thanks again to MagBack for supporting the channel. Guys, yous are top notch. And that about wraps up for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me. Don't forget to click that subscribe and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep it locked to the channel. I have a lot more down-to-earth tech review and accessories coming for you, so stay tuned. And if you want to catch some more iPhone 17 related content, you can check it out right here.